So one of the key additions to this latest version of HTC Sense on the HTC Desire is a new friend stream widget. Now what this does is it brings together all of the Facebook, Flickr and Twitter updates that previously were split up, either Twitter into HTC's Peep application, which is still on the phone, and the Facebook and the Flickr updates on a kind of per contact basis, and it brings them all into one stream application. So from this widget here on the home screens, you can actually choose to send out an update, so you can obviously type in, and then by tapping this button here you can choose between whether you want that to go out to Facebook, to Twitter. Obviously if Flickr was there I'd have another choice as well, and you can select, deselect depending, and you can also tap through to the main application, which shows you obviously all the updates there, splits it up as well by individual status updates, and gives you a little icon down at the bottom to show you what status comes from whether that's Twitter or Facebook. Any photos that have kind of been updated, obviously I haven't got a Flickr account logged in here, but this would be where Flickr photos would come in, and then any links as well. Something else we like in this new version of Sense is HTC's copy and paste functionality, and that's quite similar to the iPhone and how it works. So obviously we're looking here at this SlashGear homepage. You can double tap to zoom in, it automatically reflows the text accordingly, and when we want to actually highlight something, you can hold your finger down, and as you can see there is a kind of a preview box which pops up. So you can let go, choose it, and as you can see obviously you get these extension kind of things here which let us select more or less, and then with these buttons you can choose to copy to the clipboard. I'll just copy something again, or you can share, and it shortens the URL for you and gives you the option of sharing via friend stream, mail, messages or Peep, and obviously this list will change depending on what other applications you have preloaded. Or you can select something and then choose the magnifying glass icon, and it will automatically go into this new application here which lets you look up the word either in Wikipedia, and it gives you obviously the Wikipedia site, and translate it from one language to another, so we can convert that to French, which apparently is exactly the same, or you can look it up using Google Dictionary, and as you can see there you get a list of search results, definitions and links to other definitions. So it's a really slick system, a really easy way to select things, copy and paste them in, and then if you want to actually then paste something in, it's just a case of holding down and choosing paste, and obviously that thing which we copied just before is now being pasted in.